My name is Ahnaf. I am 3 years old. My birthday is on 22 November. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Dhaka. There are 3 people in my family. My father is an engineer. My mother is a housewife. I am a student at class 1. My favorite subject is English. My favorite sport is cricket. My hobby is reading. My favorite food is drinks. I like cartoon movies. The most beautiful place in my country of Kosbaba. My name is Ahnaf. I am 3 years old. My birthday is on 22 November. I am from Bangladesh. I live in Dhaka. There are 3 people in my family. My father is an engineer. My mother is a housewife. I am a student at class 1. My favorite subject is English. My favorite sport is cricket. My hobby is reading. My favorite food is drinks. I like cartoon movies. The most beautiful place in my country of Kosbaba.